up, so be ready. Just to look. Take your time. They're gonna destroy that decoy. There's more coming too, though. Take your time. They're not going anywhere. There's two gobblers there. You're fine, they're not going. They're not going anywhere. That one to the left is big bear. See that one? Yeah, that's your point there, yeah. Yeah, hang on. I'm on him.
That's what it's all about right there, man. I'll tell you what, that was awesome. That's the first time I shot them apex in the 20 game. And I put the hammer on it, man. I got a little nervous.
Did you see all the turkeys down there too?
No, I didn't see the rest of them was down there.
They were way down by the water tank.
Yeah. Sometimes it just pays off to go in where there's some cyanide, get set up, and just do some calling. I was using that Cherry Classic Crystal and the blue cutter. That's where all them tracks are coming from. Yeah, appreciate it. I tell you what, guys, if you want a good hunt, a good Goulds hunt, check out J. Scott Outdoors. It don't get any better than this. Man, we're like 26 miles off the main road, back up in these mountains, and I mean, it is crazy.
Lots of birds, huh?
Oh man, I don't know how many jakes were there. I know there was at least 2 or 3 really long beards.
Yeah.
I ain't too sure that man got 2 beards on him too.
I think it's a double.
It looked like
that's why I picked that one out. I'm like,
yell that one, yeah. Let's go see what I got. Got a rope on him. Oh, look at these birds.
oh yeah. Look at the beard on that thing.
He's got a rope, man. He's got a rope.
Golly.
I don't see a double. He's definitely got a rope on him. That's a nice bird. Ooh. Dirty there. Look how pretty them things are.
Beautiful. Look at the spurs on that, Billy.
They got like huge feet on them, don't they? That's what we call the Woodhaven Way. You don't get any better than that. Whew. Man, there's a pile of turkeys come up through there.
Yeah.
Gobblers, jakes, hens. A whole bunch of them. You get in this dry ground, you got to find the water. That's where we started seeing all the sign. That's a pretty heavy bird too. Definitely up in the 20. They can't get over that rope. I think that's the longest beard I've seen on a Goulds.
Thick too.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it might have been a double.
I did too. It must have been split at the end over there.
Look how dirty he got.
Yeah, he got really dirty and all that stuff. I don't care.
That was awesome.
10 after 5.
We freelanced that bird too.
Oh yeah.
I mean, just spot.
Yeah, we had no idea what was around. Sometimes you just gotta take off walking and try to strike one. We didn't strike one. These birds did not talk until they got, I don't know, what was that, about 70, 80 yards?
Yeah.
You spotted one of them coming. I'm like, oh. I said, don't move.
You had just called on the crystal, though.
Yeah. I just
You've
used
been
that
calling
classic
for
crystal.
45 minutes, good 45 minutes, but I mean, you literally had just called maybe 2 minutes before that.
Yeah, on that crystal call.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. That thing reaches out. Getting these mountains, you gotta have something high pitched, something that'll reach out there. And that cherry classic crystal, it did its job. You said get them to come to the left. And I was almost scared to, cause I thought they're gonna look right up here and see me. But I yelped real soft, and man, they looked up there and seen them decoys, and here they come.
It was on, wasn't it?
Yeah, them decoys there. They don't get any better than that either. That's a beautiful bird. Ooh.
He's all dusty.
Yeah, dusty and dirty. Flopping around there in the dark. That's all right. Let's get some pictures.